Good morning, all. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, Naveen, good morning.
Very good morning. Hope you are able to hear me, right?
Yes.
So last session, we have completed the parked document process.
Yes.
So completely we have done with the parked document process. So today we will see with the hold document. Write down, put a heading as an hold document. Put a heading as an hold document. Hold document. HOLD, hold document. Write down. Write down any incomplete so heading and side heading, hold the document. So in that, write it down. Any incomplete or any or undisclosed documents, any incomplete or undisclosed documents can be created as a hold document. Can be created as a hold documents. Can be created as a hold documents. Okay. Full stop and continue. Hold document will not update in the database. Hold document will not update in the database. Will not update in the database. Okay. But it will store separately. Full stop and continue. It will store separately. With external document number ranges. With external document number ranges. Full stop and continue. Hold document can be modified and it can be deleted at any point of time. Okay, just go through once. Hold document.
So Naveen, regarding the external document number range, so that means we need to give the document number
manually. We need to give manually.
Okay, so when we have not selected the document,
that's a different. We can give because it's a hold. It's not normal document.
Okay.
Yeah. Whenever we select the option called hold document, then it will ask for number range. So 1 to 10, anything you can give.
Okay.
I'll show you that.
Yeah.
Still try to understand the difference between a parked document and hold document. It's like your parked document only, right? It will not be stored in database, but when it comes, both parked document and hold document will not updated in the database, right? But what is the difference is parked document will, whenever we park a document, it will take the number range from a normal document number ranges. What parked document? But when it comes to hold document will not take normal document number ranges. It won't take internal normal document number ranges. Here we need to give external document number range. Clear? That is the difference. First difference. Clear?
Got it.
At the time of posting, it will ask for document number. Okay.
Got it.
And one more difference is parked document will be stored at company code level. Parked document will be stored at company code level. When it comes to hold document will be stored at client level. If you want, you can write it out, the differences. First one, parked document will take normal document number range, internal normal document number range. When it comes to hold document, it will take external number range. Clear? And second difference is parked document will stored at company code level, not in the database, but only it will store in company code level. When it comes to hold document, it will be stored at client level. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
So these are the two differences. If you want, you can write the two differences. Okay, again, if you want, I'll reiterate. Parked document will take normal document number ranges. First difference, if you want to write, parked document will take normal document number ranges, whereas hold document will take external document number ranges. External document number ranges. Okay. Next one. Normal document. No, sorry, parked document. Parked document will stored at company code level. Parked document will store at company code level. And hold document stores at client level. Okay, these are the two differences. One second. Okay. Any questions on this? Anyone have a questions? So write down, I'll just give directly the transaction codes for hold document, put a heading as an hold document, create a hold document. First one, write down transaction code to create to create hold document. To create hold document. Transaction code. FB11. 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 See, you can ask, we know that why we will park the document normally
For an audit purpose.
right? Last time we discussed same thing, but why hold? We will hold the document in the sense, for example, we have received an invoice from supplier. Okay, and we have entered all the details, but some information is missing in the document. For example, letter of credit or some sort of product details or service details are missed in that particular invoice. Means some sort of document is missing. So whenever documents are missing, clear, at that particular point of time, instead of park, what we will do is we will hold the document. We will hold the document. Clear. Any sort of document, any sort of documentation is missing. If the document is incomplete, clear, at that particular point of time, the organizations or companies will not proceed further. They will enter all the details. Instead of post, they will hold the document for temporary. Temporarily, they will hold the document. They will input all the details, but they will wait for the further documentation to complete the process. Once the complete document is received, whatever missing documents are there, if that is received, then it will be proceed for the next.
But Naveen, instead of holding the document, we can block the entry invoice, right?
If you are not getting a complete information, why you will block?
So just I have posted one.
What is the difference between a posting a document, blocking a document, and holding a document? If you post a document without complete information, then that document will be updated in the database. If you are not getting, and then what you need to do, you need to reverse. Block in the sense it's already updated, right? And you're not going to get any sort of information on that particular point of time. So whatever posted blocked document, can you delete it? Can you delete?
Document cannot delete it. We can
What
reverse
we
it.
need to do?
We need to reverse it.
Then why? When SAP is providing you an option called hold document.
Okay, got it. So we have the option to hold. That's the reason. Okay, got it.
Yes, why we need? Because you are not sure whatever template you have updated, whether it's a correct or not. So in the next documentation, probably the complete things will be get changed.
Okay. And one more question is like, Naveen, the park documents will not be picked for the payment proposal, right? Whatever the documents we are parking.
Simple, I clearly mentioned, park document or a hold document will not be updated in the database.
Okay, got it.
Then how it will be picked in payment proposal?
Okay.
Got my point?
Got it.
Yeah, if it is also there and it will be picked in the sense, then what is the fun in having parking and hold? Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. So write down transaction code. I'm directly giving FB11. FB11. So here it will show you temporary document number. See here. It's clearly showing temporary document number. It will show you the user ID. And so we have not entered any document. We have not hold any document as of now. So what we need to do is we need to mention here, enter new document. Select enter new document. Select enter new document. Clear? So here we will take the date, same like your double screen. What is the document type?
SA.
SA. And company code UT01, right? Period automatically it will take as per your company posting period. So here currency is INR. For example, I'm taking INR currency. Okay. So reference number, I'll take it as an hold 01. I'll take it as an hold document. document test, hold document test, write down. Posting key 40. 2,40,000 cash account. Just write it down. Just write down till here. Okay. Once you're done, let me know.
Done.
Okay. So press enter for other. So this is line item 1. So we need to give amount other accounts. So for example, give any amount. I'm giving 90,000. 90,000. Business area. What is that? UHYD. Profit center. U1000. U1000. Value date it is taking. So here text will give it as in hold document test. Write down here as it is. Hold document test. Okay, so here we don't have a credit line information. So document is missing. Okay. So write down as it is. Once you're done, let me know. Okay, so to hold, what we need to do is go to document and select the option called hold. Select the option called to hold the document. From document menu, select hold option. From document menu, select hold option. Okay, so click on hold. So it will ask for temporary document number. Okay. So any number we can give here. So for example, I would like to give as an UT001. I'm giving document number, temporary document number UT001. It's not external document, it's a temporary document number. Okay. Click on hold document. Click on.
Naveen,
Yes, please.
so once we get the credit information, we'll delete this transaction and again
Yes,
post.
we will update the complete thing.
Okay.
Okay.
In real time, do we follow this?
Normally, many companies will not, at hardly 10%, 5% companies will do this.
Okay.
Okay. But everybody benefit, I'm giving this option because people should have knowledge on
Yes.
this one, whole document and part document, the difference.
Yes, Naveen, got it.
So click on hold document. Click on hold document. You can see document UT001. So we will create one more document. We'll create one more document. One more hold document we are creating. Document type SA. hold 02. You remember the old document number, right? Old document test. Old document test. So here I'll take 40. I'll take it as in 4,30,000. Right down till here. Right now. So press enter. I'm giving 45,000 here. So credit part, I'm selecting here. Cash account, salaries to cash. $45,000 amount. Hold document test. So enter. Start to copy the amount. Plus mark to copy the text. Start to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. So we are not giving any business area profit center for this. So directly select hold option from document menu. Select hold option from document menu.
Naveen, can you once click on simulate option? Simulate.
One second. About
Okay. Okay, got it.
it will be lost if we simulate and we can't hold it now. So no,
Sorry, Naveen. I don't know.
no problem.
Not sure. Just I want to see whether the debit and credits is equal to 0 or not.
Of
That's
course,
all.
right? Here it is 0 only, right? We have given the same amount.
Mhm. $45,000.
45,000, right? Let me check.
So in this case, you're not giving debit and credit information, right? Business area and
We are
profit
giving,
center.
right? Only business area information, profit center information, we are not giving. Debit
Yeah,
and
that.
credit lines we are giving.
Yes, yes, yeah, business.
Okay. So from here, we can hold the document. Select hold option from document menu. Hold option from document menu. Okay. So what is the first one we have given? Hold the document. UT01, right? UT001. So here I'll give it as an UT002. Write down document number UT002. Okay. Sometimes we may get error message. See, so sometimes what happens is if you are holding a document, here it is directly asking document number. Instead of this, we will get some sort of error message. Some sort of error message. Okay. So write down a note. The error message, write down. Error message. Hold document must be converted. Hold document must be converted. Okay. Okay. First time, if you are creating hold document, then definitely probably you're going to get error message. Hold document must be converted. But here already I have created for different company codes. So that's the reason we are not getting it. Sometimes, again, I'm telling you, sometimes for the first time you are creating, right? Then you will get the error message. Same thing, hold document must be converted. So how to rectify that? To resolve that error. So, okay, we need to go to SE38, new session, open new session, transaction code. To overcome that error, we need to go to transaction code SE38/O, new session, you know that new screen, SE38, transaction code SE38, transaction code SE38. So program name would be RF TM P, sorry, T RFTM. Yeah, this is RFTMP BLU. This one. Write down the program transaction code. You can see on the bottom. SE38. Under SE38, hold document. Program name is RFTMP BLU. RFTMP BLU. Okay. So nothing we need to do. Only we need to select. By default, it will be select it as a source code. Okay. So here next, after this, click on execute. Click on execute. So it will ask for one checkbox. No termination for read errors. No termination. Once you click on execute, okay, it will show you one message stating that no termination. See here, no termination for read errors. So select this option. Select this option. Select this option. Select this option. Click on execute again. Click on execute. Okay, so for my system, it will show it as a no conversion necessary. But for the first time you are doing, then it will show conversion successful. So here you can see here on the bottom, you can write no conversion necessary because we have already converted here. All held documents are correct. Clear? In case if you are not able to convert for the first time or what may be in your laptop, then you need to do this particular process. In SC38, you need to give the program and the next click on execute and select this error, read error checkbox and click on execute. Clear? So it will show you held documents are converted. Any questions?
Naveen, if we directly go to the document menu and hold the document, it will not convert it into hold.
That's what I'm saying, right? I'm saying that if for the few systems, for the first time, if you are showing, if you select hold a document after entering the details, sometimes it may show error message. Clear?
Okay.
If you are hold a document, then it will show you an error message. Conversion is not possible. I have given error message also for you.
Yes.
Right? That error message will appear. If that error message comes, then you need to follow this particular process.
Okay.
I'm not sure for the first time or second time or sometimes every time it may show you as per your server, as per your system. Hope you got my point.
Got it.
Yeah, whenever you are getting this error message, you need to follow. But normally 99% cases, if somebody is doing for the first time hold a document, then it will show that particular error. But I'm saying 99% only, but 1%, there is a possibility that any point of time it will show. Not only for the first time. Yes, no.
Okay, Naveen.
Okay. So just try it out from your in your system. If you get any message, then you just process. So normally if it is the okay. So if you are after doing this, first time you are doing, then you'll get a message here, hold document successfully converted. Hold document successfully converted. Right? Any questions? Any questions? Anyone have a questions on this?
No, Naveen.
So next, view hold documents. Right up. Display hold documents. Second step. Display hold documents. Same transaction code. Same transaction code. Same transaction code. FB11. Okay. So FB11. FB11. So here you can click on document list. Click on document list to view the whole document list. Click on document list. Click on document list. See, you can see here 2 documents. See, as I said that it will where it will store whole documents.
At client level.
Sorry.
At client level.
Client level. So here it will not show you only company code UT01. It will show you all the hold documents in different company codes. Clear, but now no one has hold app yet. So that's the reason it is showing only our whatever we have saved. Clear, everyone? So it will show you the complete list, whatever documents are held at client level, different company codes. All the list will be displayed here. But here, why it is showing only 2 in the sense, the people who are practicing in this particular server not done the hold document process yet, or they have cleared the hold documents. Any questions? Yes. Yes. Any questions?
No,
No.
Naveen.
Yeah. So next, double click on UT001 document number. Double click on UT001 document number. So here you can see whatever document we have created with the one line item. Okay. And you can see here. So this will show 2 line items as you asked a simulation. The simulation, whatever you asked, salary to cash. Okay. Next one. So if I want to modify the document, next is third step is change hold document. Same screen. Modify or change hold document. Documents. Same transaction code FB11. Transaction code FB11. So for example, we need to give document number. So go back completely. So here, which document you want to modify? Okay, then we need to click, select that document number. For example, UT001, right? UT, give the document number, temporary document number, and click on edit option. Click on edit held document. Click on edit held document. Right? The same thing which we have. Or you can do one more way. Okay, so instead of this, if you don't remember the document number, then click on document list. Click on document list. So if I want to do it, so here you can select, place the cursor in UT001 and click on choose button. If you don't remember the document number, click on choose button. You can see here. I'll give here credit line item. So whatever is missing. So 3,20,000. Okay, and hold the document. I'll convert this into GL10. We have already 1011 we have completed. So GL12. And we are doing changes. Normal document posting. Right on here. So we have changed the reference number. We have changed changed the text. And debit line cash account already we have given. Posting key 50, 32,000. Okay. Just write it down. Any questions here? Any questions on this? Okay. Yes, no.
No.
Right. Press enter. So start to copy the amount, plus mark to copy the text. It's not hold document, right? So it's a normal document posting. Normal document posting. Okay. We have done the changes. Now we are converting into normal document. So click on save button or post button. So we have not given profit center, right? So we have not given profit center. Okay, I'll give it as an U1000. Okay. I'm giving profit center here. So click on into post document. Click on post document. So we are converting, see here. We are converting the temporary document number to normal document number range. Clear, everyone? We have edited and we have converted. Clear, everyone? Any questions? We have added whatever requirements, whatever details we need to update. We have added that. And we have done whatever modifications we want to do. And we have done it, and we have converted from hold document to normal document. Any questions?
No, fine.
No.
Right? We have now only one old document. Okay. So here you can see here only one document. UT0. Next one, writer. Delete hold document. Next step. So delete. If I post it, I'm the supplier or whoever said we are not going to provide any further details, so you can remove from your system. Then if I posted that, then again I need to reverse it. I need to clear from vendor, right? Lot of clear from GL. So a lot of things we need to do. Instead of that, now directly we can delete whole document. So transaction code same. Transaction code same. You can take this. So everything we are doing in AB11. Okay.
And Naveen, this is an end user activity, right? I think.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So here, go back. Give your transaction code, document number, UT002. So click on delete button. Give document temporary document number and click on delete. Why we are doing this, even though it's an end user activity? Because for them it's a new system, SAP. So they know, for example, other ERPs they are using earlier, they know they have a concept called park document and hold document. So they don't know how to do in the system. Who will teach them? Who will teach them?
Consultant have to teach.
Sorry?
We need to teach them.
Consultant. You are not supposed to say that I'm a consultant. I don't do these postings and all. You are not supposed to say that.
Yes.
Because your configuration and how it will work, you know that pretty well than any others. So we need to have a knowledge on this entry part.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
And Naveen, I have one question.
Please.
When when you have done changes, right? You have given business area and the credit details,
Correct.
everything, right? So
Correct.
after that, you are converting by
Just
giving.
we are posting it automatically. It will convert from temporary document to normal document number.
Okay, okay. The
System-
document number will get changed internally, whatever
Correct.
we give.
Correct. Internal, it will takes to internal document number. Clear? Hello.
Hello, yes, Naveen.
Yeah. Okay. So click on delete option. Deleting whole document, or if you can't do it, then if you don't remember the document number, then document list. So select, place the cursor in UT 002, because at client level there will be number of these things, document numbers. So click on delete button. So two ways we can do it. So click on delete. Click on delete button. You can see here. So it will ask deleted. So then click on yes. All the document is deleted. So go back. Now you can see in the document list, nothing. One, we have converted all the document to normal document, and second one we have deleted. See, if we are deleted this particular document, hold document, we're not going to lose anything because it is not captured from normal document number range. Right? We have given temporary document number. Parked document will generate a number from normal document number only. But if we delete parked document, then one document number will be taken from normal document number range only. So this is also a third one. As I said that parked document, if we delete a parked document, then that particular document number we cannot use for any other normal documents. But when we have deleted whole document, nothing we are going to lose. Not what you call document number range. It will not capture from normal document number range. Clear?
Naveen, I have one doubt. For Parker documents, we can delete it, but all the users won't have access, right? To delete it, end users.
I'm not sure. I didn't get you. What's your question? What do you mean by all users?
So like in general, in my company present, we have the few Parker
That's what I'm
documents.
saying. It's again depends to company to company. I can't give a generic this thing. Some companies may have the parking option. Some clients, some companies may not give that option to their users. It again depends to companies. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, if for example, they have given associate level, they can park the document, but team lead level, they have option, they have an authority to delete any parked document. So you need to, for associate level people, you need to teach them that how to park the document, and for team lead level, how you need to show them how to delete a parked document.
Okay. So for in our current organization, we are depending on SAP consultant to delete the Parker document.
That's what
Even
I'm saying.
client,
Again, it is
depends
SOD.
on company to company.
It is SOD. You won't depend on sorry for deletion of parked document. You won't depend upon SAP consultant. Probably they have given any authority to one of your senior.
Okay.
A consultant will not be there all the time, right? With your company, they will implement, they will support, and they will withdraw their support from your company.
Okay.
Right? Maybe one of your senior person will delete that parked documents.
Okay.
Clear? Not consultant.
Okay. Okay, Naveen, thank you.
Any other questions from anyone before we proceed? Okay, this is about your parked and what we call normal parked and hold documents. Clear, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Now we will go with the open item management. This is another important one. Put heading as an open item management. So you can do this. You can write this open item management with outgoing payment. Open item management with outgoing payment. So till hold the documents we have completed. Open item management with outgoing payment. Right? This is the thing, open item management with outgoing payment. And maximum interview questions you are going to get from this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. When you remember what is open item management? When we select open item management.
Okay. When there is a
Think and answer before you're answering, because I remember that we have done
Outstanding and
outstanding and
prepaid.
prepaid.
correct. Exactly. Right. So for example, right. Clear. So here we will select open item management, all outstanding and prepaid. Okay. So initially it will show open item management in the sense if we have selected, then it is nothing but outstanding. Then initially it will show in the liability. Once we pay them, outstanding amounts, if we pay them, then it will show in cleared list. Clear? Open item list, outstanding list, and cleared list. Once we pay the outstanding things, then it will show in cleared list. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Only when it is possible, open item management report. I'll have prepared already one example. There is one exercise I have provided, open item outgoing. I write down this documents. This part you write down. I'll explain. Once you are done, let me know. This particular part completely. Till here, you just write it down. Till amount.
3 journal entries, right, Naveen?
Yeah,
Entries.
journal entries. Till with your invoice number, voucher numbers. B/01, B/02.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, complete. I'm telling you, whatever may be the position, if you are applying for a consulting level, then definitely you are going to get one question at any cost in your interview regarding this. From this topic, open outgoing, or you can call it as an open item management. Once you're done, please let me know. Yes. Is it done?
Yes, Naveen.
Yes, written.
Hope everyone, right? So here you can see here. See, there are bill 1, bill 2, bill 3. There are 3 outstanding items for us. 3 outstanding items, bill 1 for 1 lakh, bill 2 for 80,000 and bill 3 for 60,000. Bill 3 for 60,000. So 3 outstanding items are there for us. So out of 3 items, so how we can clear in the sense, first one, we can clear full clear, partial clear, balance clear, residual clear. This is a new concept. I sure you are already doing, but the terminology residual clear. Can anyone say what do you mean by residual clear? I know partial clear, I know full clear, I know balance clear. So in your when you do open item things, you will find residual clear. What does it mean?
Yes, in F-44 we do it, right, Naveen?
But what does it mean actually? What does it mean residual clear?
Residual clearing is nothing but like suppose we have the debit of 10,000 and the credit of 1,000. So we will do this for this 10,000.
That is a full clear, right? Debit 10,000, credit 10,000. It's a full clear.
No, debit 10,000. Sorry, debit 10,000. Credit is 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
So
But I'm asking, what does it mean residual clear? Then that is considered it as a partial clear, right?
Again, it will just residual clearing. It will show as an open item.
But what balance it will show, right? Partial clear, if you
balance.
See, for example, 1 lakh, you are paying 50,000. Then it will show 50,000 as an open item, right?
Yes, yes.
Here also it will be the same, right? Residual clear. You're showing it is an open item.
Yes.
Then what is the difference between this residual clear and a partial clear?
So maybe
I think both are same, right?
No, absolutely not.
So like whatever the once the outstanding is cleared, so the system will give a new open item. So that will come, I mean, that will be treated under residual clear, I think.
How it does differ from other clearings? See, we are discussing something about full clear, I understood. Then how it is differ from full clear with residual clear, partial clear with residual clear, balance clear with residual clear?
Like we made the payment less than the outstanding amount.
Then that is called partial clear. Okay. You just write, I'll explain. You people are there, but you know, but still the terminology, how it's going to be accounting books, how it's going to affect if you are doing a residual clear option, then how it's going to be shown in your cleared item, that I'll explain. Write down these 3 things also now. You're just beside to this, write down full clear, partial clear, balance clear, and residual clear. So write down these 3 things also now. Now they're still here. The complete thing, and I'll explain completely once in a go. Still here. Once you are done, let me know the complete. Once you're done, let me know, please.
Done.
Hope everyone are completed.
Yes, Naveen.
So basically there are three methods: full clear, full payment or full clear, partial payment, partial clear, balance clear. So total, what is the total outstanding here? 1 lakh plus 80,000 plus 60,000. So total how much? 2 lakhs 40,000. So out of 2 lakhs 40,000, first bill 1 lakh. Clear? So 1 lakh we have paid full amount, means GL outgoing payment we have made, salaries payable account debited to cash outgoing account or bank outgoing account 1 lakh, means we are clearing full amount for this bill. Then when you generate open item, then it will show whatever two bills not yet paid. Try to understand here, whatever two bills we have not yet paid, that will show as an open item, 80,000 and 60,000 still liable to pay. And the remaining 1 lakh, whatever we have paid 1 lakh, that will be shown as an cleared item. Clear this?
No, Naveen, can you please explain? Sorry.
See again. So total, how many bills are pending?
3 bills,
3 bills. What is the amount? First bill amount
1 lakh,
and second bill.
80,000,
So third bill.
60,000.
So what we are doing is we are paying complete amount for the first bill,
Yes.
1 lakh. So here we are doing a payment here. Salaries payable account debited to cash account. We are paying salaries payable. Earlier it was salaries account, but because of outstanding, it becomes a payable liability. So
Okay.
liability is getting decreased. Salaries payable account debited 1 lakh to cash account. Cash is
Okay.
going out from us. So to cash
Okay.
account 1 lakh. Clear?
Okay.
So when
Mhm.
you generate a report, open item management report or whatever report, clear FBL 3N, then it
Mhm.
will show how much is the how many open items are there still to pay now?
Still 2 other. One is cleared, one is paid.
Still how much we need to pay? How many bills we
80,000
need
and
to pay?
60,000. 2 bills.
Right? So open item, it will show bill number 2 and bill number 3. Bill number 2 for 80,000 and bill number 3 for 60,000.
Okay.
Clear? What do you mean by an open item? What do you mean by an open
Pending.
item?
Outstanding.
Outstanding.
Whatever the outstanding is there. it is
Whatever
open.
outstanding, right? Pending.
Yes.
Correct? That is shown 80,000 and 60,000 as an open item. Right?
Yes.
And cleared item, how much it will show?
1 lakh.
1
It
lakh.
is
It is
cleared,
cleared.
means
Liquid.
it's not yet, it's not open now because we paid them. So liability got decreased of 1 lakh.
Yes.
Clear now?
Yes, clear.
Okay. And second one, when it comes to second one, so it will transfer to cleared item, this one. One bill is transferred to cleared item and 2 bills are pending 80,000 and 60,000 open items. This is called full clear. How full clear methodology? If whatever bills are there, okay. So whatever bill we have completely paid, that bill will move from open item to cleared item, and whatever bills are pending, that will be shown in open item. Is this clear, everyone? Full cleared methodology.
Yes, clear.
Right? Whenever we are doing complete amount, not even this one, then that complete amount bill will move from open item to cleared item, and the remaining will show as an open item. Okay, partial clear. Part of the amount. So here 80,000 amount, out of 80,000 amount, how much we are paying?
50,000.
50,000. So this is very important. Try to understand this concept. We are supposed to pay 80,000. Outstanding is 80,000, but still how much we are paying?
50.
How much is the balance?
30,000.
30,000. So when we write this particular entry, GL outgoing payment, salaries payable account debited to cash account, how much amount? 50,000. But in the report, how it will show? Cleared item, it will show it as a 1 lakh only. So whatever 50,000 from this particular bill you are paying, that will not move to your cleared item until we paid the complete amount. Understood? Are we paying the complete amount?
No.
No, right? We are not paying the complete amount until we won't pay the complete amount. Till that, this particular bill amount will not move it to cleared item, even though you are paying some part of the amount. Clear, everyone? So how it will show? Minus 80,000, liable to pay 80,000, but out of that, how much we have paid?
50,000.
50,000, 30,000. And what is the third bill amount?
60,000.
60.
Third bill amount is 60.
60 plus balance 30,000. So total how much?
90.
So 90 outstanding it will show. Open item.
Okay.
Clear? But
Okay.
that 50,000 will not show in cleared item. Why?
Since
It is
it is
not fully
partial.
cleared.
We have not paid completely. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes.
Anyone have a questions again? Understood the concept? What is open item and what is the cleared item?
Yes,
right?
Naveen.
When it will move to cleared item, once we pay the complete amount of that particular bill, then only it will move to cleared item. If we are doing any partial payment, right, part of the amount payment, still it will not move from open item to cleared item. It will show under your open item by adjustment. Here it is getting adjusted. 50,000 is adjusted to 80,000, and it will show the balance 30,000 and minus 60, minus 30,000. It will become minus 90,000. Clear? Number of times I'm asking.
Yes, yes, Naveen.
Yes,
Okay.
clear.
Yes.
So
Yes,
next one,
ma'am.
right down, balance clear. Balance clear. So what was the balance we are supposed to pay?
30,000.
Sorry,
30,000.
30,000. So we are paying that balance amount. We are paying a balance amount of 30,000.
Okay.
So salaries payable account debited to cash account. Even that is also for bill to only. Which bill we are paying? The bill
Second
to
one.
balanced amount. Okay. Then salaries payable account debited to cash account 30,000. So how it's going now? Are we paid complete amount to this 80,000?
Yes,
Yes. Then how, once you generate a report, what is the outstanding amount now?
60,000.
60,000, because bill 3
60,000.
only it's outstanding. Remaining bill 1, bill 2 is cleared. So here how it will generate in your report, in the sense open item, it will show 60,000. Clear?
Okay.
And in your cleared item now, the 80,000 amount will move to cleared item, but we are not paying on a same date, right? We are paying in different dates. So how you can see the report in the sense? So 1 lakh cleared item first time. Second, minus 80,000, whatever outstanding was there, we have paid in two shots. One is in 50,000 and another one is in 30,000. So it moved this 50,000 and 30,000 to cleared items. So total 80,000 moved to cleared items. Clear, everyone?
Clear.
Yes.
Try to analyze this now. If at all any questions, let me know. I'll give you 1 minute time, please. If you want, you can put on any rough notes or something. So definitely you're going to get a one interview question on this.
How would be the interview question, Naveen?
Same. What do you mean by how full clear will affect in your reports, how balanced partial clear will generate in your reports, and how residual clear will update in your reports.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So here 1 lakh, 80,000, 50,000, 30,000. Okay. So there is one more clear option is there. One more clear option is there. That is residual clear. I'll tell you what is it residual clear. I'll explain. Residual clear, in that, what is the amount we need to give? What is the amount?
60,000.
60. Right? What happens in residual clear in the sense? So the most important thing is, for example, you are supposed to pay the due date. For example, you have given a check or something, or a bill of exchange. You remember? Anyone knows bill of exchange? Bills of exchange.
Yes,
No,
Bills of exchange.
Bills of exchange. Yes.
yes.
What does bills of exchange? See, normally in bills of exchange, nothing but exchanging goods or services for a promissory note or any negotiable as per negotiable instrument act, means by giving a check. Okay, future PDC, post dated check, we will take services, right? Means 3 months time we will take. But what is the security? We are giving a check or a promissory note. As per negotiable instrument act, whatever documents are accepted in exchange of goods or services, then that is considered as negotiable instrument. Clear? What do you mean by negotiable instrument? Negotiable instruments are nothing but future date promising payment or receipt for future date. Okay, by giving that instrument, we can take the services now, or we can take the goods now, but we are going to pay the liable amount in future. So what could be? It could be a check, it could be a promissory note, or some sort of documentation. Clear? So here what we have done is, for example, third bill, we have purchased services. Bill 3, we have purchased services. Okay, and we have promised that, for example, today's date is 3rd December. 3rd December. And we took 1 month date, 1 month date, 1 month time to pay the 60,000 amount to supplier. Clear? And we have mentioned in the promissory note or on the check. So we are going to pay the amount on 2nd January 2023. For example, we have given a check. Fine. So on 2nd January, what supplier did is, so on 2nd January, we went to supplier. And we said that we can't pay the total 60,000. The amount is not in our bank account or whatever amount. We are not able to pay the 60,000 on 2nd January. So what we said is, we are going to pay the partial amount. We are going to pay the partial amount or some amount. That is, for example, we are ready to pay 40,000 out of 60,000. Clear? So here the check will valid. After that, 2nd January 2023, how much amount you are paying? How much amount you are paying?
40K.
40. What is the balance amount to be paid?
60.
20,000 is balance to be paid, right? So balance to be paid is 20,000. But what is the check value?
60.
So what you will do? Balance, you said that you are going to pay on 2nd February. So what you are going to do? What we are going to do? As I said that check value is 60,000, but we have made a payment of 40,000 and we are promising that we are going to pay on 2nd February, next 1 month time. So what we will do?
So we will issue the residual check.
What do you mean by residual check? Then what about this check? Means what we do, we will take this check back. We will take this check back, complete 60,000. Do we give 60,000 check and we will pay the payment of 40,000?
No. That means we are going to cancel the check.
We will cancel the check. And what is the check amount again? We will give him
40,000.
40,000 we will give.
20,000.
20,000 amount we are going to give. Why? Already we paid 40, right?
So
Yes,
paid
okay.
40 in the sense, in the what form we have paid, Naveen? So again,
I said, right, 2nd January you are paying and you are accepting one more
2nd
promissory
January.
note on 2nd February, for 2nd February.
So we are again issuing the new check for the 40,000.
Why you will issue? Your understanding, what I'm saying, out of 60,000, already you paid 40,000 on 2nd January. The date which the old check was due on 2nd January, you went to your supplier and said that out of 60,000, I'm ready to pay only 40,000.
Okay.
So you will give new check for 40,000?
Okay. Fine.
What? Okay. What you understood?
Like check will be for 60,000 only. Okay. But from that we are paying only 40,000. Okay. So again, they will cancel the check. And again, we will issue the new check with 20,000.
That's it.
It won't be any breach of contract, like we agreed.
Why
right,
contract?
earlier.
If both are agreed, then it is how it is considered as a breach of contract.
Okay.
You don't have a problem, and the other person will not have a problem. How it will be considered as a contract?
Okay.
Right? If one is not accepted, then you know the meaning of contract.
Yes, I got.
Then okay, this is clear now. So what happened? The old instrument 60,000 will be get completely cancelled. And what is the new line item will appear here?
20,000.
20,000. So this is called residual clear. I'll explain once again residual clear with the here. See here. So here we are paying 40, as I said that the same example, out of 60,000, we are paying only 40,000, right? But what we are doing residual clear. Residual clear is nothing but you are not paying a full amount, but the contract gets an end. Contract is coming to an end. So that's the reason you are doing a residual clear. If the time is there, then you can go ahead with the partial clear. But here, when we are going to do a residual clear, the contract comes to an end. Whatever promissory note or whatever bill is there, the date is going to be expired. At that particular point of time, we are going to do residual clear. Once we do a residual clear, what happens is, so the entry we are paying 40,000. So entry will be salary payable account debited 40,000 to cash account 40,000. Okay, that's fine. But what happening here? In the cleared item means how much check we have cancelled here now? What is the check we have cancelled here?
60,000.
60,000 complete check we have cancelled. Clear? So here 1 lakh, the old bill 1, and this is bill 2, right? And we have cancelled the complete bill for 60,000, even though we are paying 40,000, but how much bill we have cancelled? How much bill we have cancelled? 60,000. And a new line item is created for the balance open item. That is 20,000. Understood? Residual clear.
Got it.
Everyone.
Yes.
Clear, right? Residual clear. It will show whenever we are selecting residual clear, then the complete bill amount will be shown, moved to cleared item. And whatever item balance amount is there, that will be created as a new line item as open item. Understood? Whenever we are doing a residual clear, you said we will select residual clear whenever the credit debit is not matching. Once you do this residual clear option, then what does it mean? Some bill is time period is finished. So that's the reason we'll select residual clear. And whenever we are selecting a residual clear, the total amount will be moved from open item to cleared item. And whatever balance is there, that will show as a new line item, as an open item in open item list.
Naveen, do we have the option for partial clearing in F-44?
Of course, I have shown, right? I'll show you that.
Okay, we have not done in real time.
No, you have done it, but probably you don't remember. If you are doing a payments, then definitely you will do it. Partial clear.
Okay.
Any questions here? Anyone have a questions on this particular step? Again, I'm telling you residual clear, how it is different from partial clear and residual clear.
Naveen, can you please explain the one
differ
partial clearing means?
Let me complete. How it's a differ from residual clear to partial clear. Can someone explain?
Partial clear, we have paid only the less amount which is compared to the actual amount. So still until we clear the complete amount, it will not go out from the open items.
Yeah, it will not move to cleared items.
Yeah.
Next.
So residual clearing is, so, for example, we need to pay. We agreed. We need to pay 1 lakh after 1 month. Okay, for that we have issued the check, but we could not be able to pay at the time of agreement. That is in the next one. So instead of that, we are only paying half of that amount. Okay, so check will be there until we pay the half of amount. After that, original check.
Don't give this example in interview like check or something. For your understanding, I have taken a negotiable instrument, but they want to see all this stuff, right? What is residual clear in the sense whatever part of the amount we paid, okay, in residual clear, whatever part of the amount we paid, the balance and the complete amount, whatever outstanding amount is there, that will move to clear item, and whatever balance amount is there, that will be created as a new line item.
Open items.
Yeah, don't give check, because for your understanding, I have explained that Negotiable Instrument Act.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, anyone have a questions now? Any questions? Any questions? Yes, no?
No from my end.
Okay, so we will create a few ledger accounts. So like salaries payable account, because it's an outstanding, we are discussing already. Salary account we have created. Let me check. In UT01. We have created salary account, rent received account, cash account. Okay, I'll create one more account. Salaries payable account. Write down. Create a GL account in FS00. Salaries payable account or salary payable account. Is it expense, income, asset, or a liability?
Which one?
Salaries payable account.
Expense.
Salary account.
Salary account is an expense.
I'm asking, question is clear, right? Asset. Salaries payable account.
Salaries payable is a liability, right?
Salary account is an expense. Salaries payable. Payable, it is saying. Salary receivable.
Yeah. Liability.
Salary receivable.
Is an asset.
Income.
Asset. So we have already created what we call liabilities list. So I'll create one liability account, 1,70,000. Write down. It's a liability series, right? One series which we have given.
So Naveen, what we are creating? We are creating the
Salaries payable account. Do we have a salaries payable account?
yes. Okay.
I'm creating salaries payable account. Create. So what kind of, is it balance sheet item or a P&L account item?
Balance sheet item.
Balance sheet item. What is the account group we need to select?
Current
Liabilities.
Current?
Liabilities.
Current liabilities. We have created current liabilities.
Yes.
So it's a balance sheet item, right? Salary. Payable. Or you can make it as a payable account. Okay, just write it down. Salary payable, you know what does it mean? Right? So we need to pay salaries of October month. So for that particular month, it will become an expense. But still October month salary, you not yet paid. Then it will move from expense to your current liability. From salary account to salaries payable account. Yes.
Can you please repeat once?
See, for October month, we need to pay salaries. Right? Out of 10 employees, we paid 8 employees salaries on October month on 30th October or 31st October. Okay. And 2 employees salary we have not yet paid till this is December month. So for October month, it was expense, but still we are not paying. Then that expense will convert from expense to liability, because we are taken services, but we have not yet paid. We are liable to pay.
Okay.
Right. So for that particular current month, it's considered as an expense. But if you have not paid after completion of that month, then it will move from your expense account to payables account. That is nothing but your liability account.
Okay.
Yeah. So click on control data. Click on control data. Select checkbox only balance in local currency. So do we select open item management? Do we select open item management for this?
Yes, yes.
We
Yes.
have to select because it's a outstanding. Okay, and sort key 001. Sort key 001. Write it up. So only balance in local currency. Select open item management, line item display, and sort key 001. Okay, next click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. Click on create bank interest tab. So here we need to select G001. General. Select G001. Do we select post automatically? Do we select post automatically?
No.
Because manually we need to enter this.
Yes.
When post automatically will trigger, when we need to select post automatically,
For zero balance.
Zero balance.
not only zero balance, wherever it is required. See, transferred balance, like your retained earnings account amount, the difference between balance account, balances, right? Zero balance ledger account. So those kind of entries will select post automatically only. But here we need to enter manually the things. So that's the reason we are not supposed to select post automatically. So click on save button. Click on save button. Click on save button. So data created. Now you can see. See here, 1,70,000 salary payable account, 4,30,000 salary account, 2,40,000 cash account. Any questions on this? Any questions? So what I'll do is, I'll stop here itself today. We will see the posting part tomorrow. So try to understand the hold differences between parked document, hold document, and the clearing types. Once you are good with the literature, straight away I can directly show, instead of taking example, I can directly show this is called full clear, this is called partial clear, and this is called balance clear. Normally people won't cover this residual clear part. Clear? Because I know pretty well that at least one question in open item management, outgoing open item management or outgoing payments, whatever you call, you are going to get at least one interview question. And 100% I'm sure that on residual clear, they are going to ask you. So maintain your own things, your whatever. So don't take whatever negotiable I said, check payment and all those stuff I just given for your understanding purpose. Hope you got my point.
Yes, yes.
So once we start the posting part, then we can't come back. So that's the reason. Just check it out, the literature part of this, whatever open item management. Then next tomorrow we will see the pending posting part. With that, we will complete this part tomorrow. So yeah, here it is. So we will complete the testing scenarios. So till here tomorrow we are going to complete. open item management with outgoing payment, and open item management with incoming payment. And I'll hold this cross company document posting mostly because we will see this in accounts payable and as well as in accounts receivable. Okay. We will finish this tomorrow, and if possible, we will start up with these things: sample document, recurring document, and account assignment model. Any other questions? Most of the companies will do recurring documents. I don't know whether you people are doing it or not. GL people. Hello.
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah. Any questions?
Yes,
from you? Any questions from your end?
So still, how many classes will be there? For
I'm
the
not
GL?
sure. See, again, it depends upon your questions. If I want to go in depth, we can finish the GL module in another 3 sessions, 3 to 4 sessions.
No problem, no problem. Just I'm asking.
No, you're asking, but still I need to say it again.
Yeah.
Depends upon your question and my explanation.
Okay, fine.
That's what, right? If you like, I'm not saying I won't say that you're not supposed to ask. You ask as just what keep aside the duration part, because if you perfect, then only we will move forward.
Yes. Yeah.
It shouldn't be a one way. That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
That's my intention. But if you want me, if you ask like this, how much duration in the sense, again, I need to think about the duration, then I need to pick up the things.
No. It's
I
fine.
can skip, I need to skip, because normally this thing, hold document will not be covered. You ask any institute, will they cover the hold document part, and will they cover this clearing part, open item management?
No.
can check.
Go slowly. Okay.
That's what I'm saying. What happens is, if somebody is asking, like we are spending time in the sense, definitely wherever the possibility, earlier batch in the sense, like almost 5-6 months back batches, I never used to cover these particular part,
Okay.
because now they are focusing more on open item management in all the interviews. Then we have introduced these things in our this thing.
Okay.
Account assignment model was also not there.
Okay.
Clear? And here the new thing added is this one, accrual and deferral reversals.
Okay.
That's it. Normally what you will do in reversal part, individual reversal, mass reversal, reversal of reversal, cleared item reversal, as you said, F-44.
Okay.
But do you ever done the accrual and deferral reversal?
No.
That's what. And month-end activities we are going to do. We are going to see. So if you, again, I'm reiterating that if you focus on the time, then definitely we need to skip a lot of things.
No, it's not.
That's what. Any other questions from anyone? But as I said that the GL part will be finished as soon as possible.
So Naveen, you are sharing the recording through email or how?
Sorry? Yeah, email only, right?
Email only. I mean, last time you shared.
Yeah. Now, because earlier versions, people have started again. People are forwarding to their groups and everyone, whatever initial classes. So, which actually trusted and shared to the people. But those people have again, I'm not blaming anyone, but people have transferred to other people, outside people.
Okay.
Because we are able to see when how many viewers are there, how many things are there. So instead of 7 or 10, 12, it was crossed a lot. So which is not advisable. That's the reason I have taken this thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Naveen, you're not going to share in the group.
Sorry.
Group in the group.
Email ID is correct. Then it will come in your email ID, right? It is there in the group I'm giving in your WhatsApp, right?
Yes. I'm not checking my email.
See WhatsApp. If your provided email ID correct, then you can play your video.
Yes.
Last week video, were you able to play it or not?
Yes, we are able to
That's
play
it.
it. Okay. So now
earlier it was public. Now it becomes private.
Private. Okay.
Yeah.
Whoever paid the fees, only those people can view it, and they can't forward to any other groups.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I mean, you will be. It should be blocked, right? I mean, so when you are sending an email, so you should block to forward to someone.
You can't forward to someone.
Yes.
If their email ID is there in that YouTube this thing, then only it will work for them. If you forward it also to someone, they can't view it.
Yes.
That's
it. That will be good. Okay, Naveen. Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Any other questions from anyone? Hope last week video, everyone, whoever are there here, are able to play.
Yes, yes, it is.
Yeah.
Also.
You send it through WhatsApp only. And
No, I won't, because I asked already. Everyone last time only I asked.
no, last Park document you send on the WhatsApp one.
That's what. No,
Yeah.
if somebody is not somebody is not able to get this thing, that I have posted in the Park document this thing what we call YouTube details in WhatsApp group, right?
Yes.
If people not able to play that, definitely they'll come back, right?
Yes.
It shows whether they are able to see or not. It will immediately they will post. Why again I need to paste it? Hope you got my point.
Yes, fine.
That's it. Yeah. Thank you all. Tomorrow at 10:30 with
Thank you,
the
Naveen.
practical part of.
One question. Can you please
Please.
stop the recording?
1 second.